Careful, it's hot, Yogi. It's hot, careful. You're alright, but be careful, it's hot. You don't wanna...
Yes, rockets, we need leaves.
I don't understand this part, really.
Rockets, no, look at this scope. Let's use the look and listen scope to find the leaves. Rockets, we need to see closer. Zoom in.
I think it's working.
Can you see any?
Oh, I'm scared. Okay.
Yes, that's right.
Ho, ho, ho.
Wow.
We got something. Alright, mid-frame. Ew, dirty. Gross. Okay. So we did that part. Remove mid-frame. Battery disconnect. Turn it this way. So that's gonna be this guy. Yeah, I think it's this door. Okay, so okay, did that one. It's the battery connector straight up from its socket. Okay. Motherboard. Whoopsie. The motherboard is right here next to the camera. Just gonna be... Okay. Ooh, something came off. Okay. Do both of these come off? I don't know about this one. Oh. Okay. Disconnect the earpiece connector. Is that what that is? Alright, is that as far as it goes? Okay, whatever. Step 16, use the flat end of this one to disconnect the touchscreen connector, which I think is this guy. Okay. Okay. Then we use the flat end of a spudger to disconnect the display connector. Okay. Whoopsie. Okay. Using the flat end of a spudger, disconnect the navigation buttons connector. What? Wait a second. What? Okay, so maybe over here. Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay. Using the pointed end of a spudger, disconnect the antenna cable. I don't know if I have one. I don't think I have one of those. Whatever. I don't have a pointed end one. Maybe I can use one of these. Whoopsie. Oh, I'm scared. Why is that red? Mine's not red. God. Okay, we did it. Okay. Holding the motherboard down by the top corners. Holding the motherboard down. What's supposed to be coming off here?
Thanks for your help. Rocky, let's
Ooh.
go and get
Ooh. Okay. Motherboard, be very careful. Top corners. Hinge it upwards while clearing flex cables out of its path. Ooh. Okay, okay. Oh. Is there two? Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Yes! He's safe. That was amazing, Annie. Great job. Alright, team. It's time to meet our mission. Come on, little caterpillar. We have to hurry and get you to the beautiful tree of many colors.
In the flat end, was when to disconnect the daughter board connector from the motherboard.
There it is. Oh no. Leo, we have to figure out which one is the little caterpillar's tree. Let's listen. Does this sound like little caterpillar's musical tree? No.
How do I do that?
Does this sound like little caterpillar's musical tree? No.
Oh,
Does this sound like little caterpillar's musical tree? Yes, it's this one. Hey, look. Here comes the tree truck. Little caterpillar, you get to be the first one to get your brand new outfit. There you go. He's hanging upside down. What is he doing?
okay. I don't think I was supposed to take that out, but well, what are you gonna do? Hopefully that's not a problem.
It's called metamorphosis. Can you say metamorphosis?
Okay.
It's been painted.
Prepare an eye opener and apply it to the left edge of the display for about 2 minutes. You need to reheat and reapply the eye opener sometimes to get it warm enough. Follow the eye opener, blah, blah, blah. The glue securing the display can be significantly stronger than the glue that secures the back. That was a bitch and a half to do anyways. Switch to a hairdryer heat gun in order to apply enough heat to weaken the adhesive. Oh. This doesn't sound fun. Okay, so right, left. That means we're gonna want to go in through this side, I imagine.
He wants us to sing with him. Let's sing with Butterfly. Let's sing a special song. Come along, sing with us. Used to be a monkey walking.
We'll heat it. Now you are so beautiful, you have. This is so scary.